Lying to cops during an arrest may seem tempting, but it often makes things worse. From legal consequences to escalating trouble, here's why honesty is always the smarter move when dealing with the police. Let's start with alleged burglar who was busted by her own shoe print. On May 28, 2024, around 5:45 p.m., Corrales police received a 911 call about a woman loading items from a vacancy into a van.
Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
What are you doing over here?
I was actually just fixing the gate and getting the stuff that somebody was loading up. Somebody had broke in the other night.
Uh-huh.
And this is my boss's girlfriend's mom's property, I guess.
And then you have permission to be here?
Yes, yeah.
Do you have your ID with you?
Sure. I'd already talked to one of the neighbors.
So is anybody here?
No. See, they had broke the gate. And I just was trying to get some links to fix this back up. But they wanted me to load everything that was right here because all this stuff was just right here by the site.
So no one lives here now?
No, this property's vacant. So
Okay.
somebody broke in, and I guess they were trying to steal some stuff.
Okay.
So
Do you have your ID with you?
Yeah, let me get it.
Thank you, ma'am. And what's the phone number for who owns the property and give you permission to come over here?
Dave, it's from his girlfriend.
So if the house is vacant, why would they have you fix the gate?
305.
But who owns it now?
They still own the house. My boss's girlfriend, his mother, and I'm not sure. I guess she just passed away. I didn't know the people that lived here.
Gotcha.
But I'm just a laborer. That's
Gotcha.
all I do. And so somebody came the other night. I guess one of the neighbors called, but the gate was like pried open when I got here.
Mm-hmm.
So I was trying to find the links, and they're broke off. So I just went down right here to this little store right here.
Okay.
I just got some metal just to fix it. Sorry, I'm all nervous. It's made me nervous now. But yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know. I was just told to fix it and grab the stuff that was right here piled by the front. That's all I'm here to do.
Okay. Do you have permission to be here and doing what you're doing? Yes or no? Yes or no?
I thought I did.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Who gave you that permission?
Debriana asked me to come.
Who's Debriana?
Debriana's another employee that I got hired by.
Because I just talked to the owner of the van,
Okay. Dave?
the owner of the the house, and they just called and said they're on their way over and that you don't have permission to do this.
Okay. Well, I was trying to call Dave.
Who's Dave?
Dave's the owner of the business and the owner of the van.
Because I just talked to the owner.
Dave?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this.
Detective John Simon arrived and found 45-year-old Jolene Mears moving items around inside the van. And when questioned, Mears claimed she had permission to be on the property to fix a gate and remove items left behind. Her story, however, quickly unraveled when she mentioned that her permission came from a coworker, Debana, who is currently in rehab.
Hey, miss, what's your first name? Okay, she said she spoke to you and you gave her permission to come do
I
this.
didn't say that. I said I spoke to Debriana.
Oh, sorry, you spoke to
Debriana.
Debriana. Do you have a Debriana that works for you guys? So she says that Debriana gave her permission to come over here. When did Debriana tell you she could? Hey,
Debriana?
Jolie,
Okay.
when did Debriana tell you to come do this?
She told me last night, but
If you had to guess where Debriana is at, where's she at right now?
she's in rehab.
She's in rehab. She told you last night.
She told me last night she drove me by here because she was telling me about a house for rent.
Okay.
And we noticed that the gate was cut open and there was stuff stacked by the door. There was step-by-step instructions that she wrote out.
Go ahead and just head on over, okay? Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, so is it safe to say, and tell me if my aim's off or not, since you have priors for burglary, that this friend told you, hey, there's no one here, no one lives here, you can pull up, you can take what you need, and you can jam out, and no one's going to know the difference? Yes or no? You're sure? Because these owners, that's Dave,
Yeah, I know.
you have no permission to be here.
Okay.
The female that's with them, you have no permission from them.
Okay.
So this girl that works for them, she does not own this place. So guess what you're probably going to be arrested for?
I hope not because...
Are you on probation?
No, absolutely not.
Okay. So let me ask you again.
I'm not a felon.
Okay. Do you have permission to be here, yes or no?
Yes.
From?
Debriana.
Okay. Do you have permission to collect any of this stuff from the homeowner? The property owner?
I'm not sure. That's
Okay.
what I was told
Where did you get the van from?
from Dave.
Dave-
This is my work then. I
Okay.
went to work today. And
So
I
do you
came-
take this home to and from?
No. I just came straight from work.
Okay.
I just dropped
Does
back
Dave know that you came here in the van?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
To be honest.
Where are you supposed to go with the van?
After this, I was going back to the shop with all this stuff.
Okay.
That's what I was asked to do.
So here's, I want to play it fair. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. I don't hold things against people what they've done in the past, but for a police officer, for a detective, those are called clues for me.
No, absolutely.
And right now they're shining like a big red flag. Okay, so if they get here and they say, you know what, it's a big mess up, fine.
Now, despite her nervous attempts to justify her actions, the detective grew suspicious, particularly as Mears met prior convictions for burglary. The plot thickened when the homeowner confirmed that neither Mears nor Debona had permission to be there.
If not, you're looking at burglary.
Okay.
Because you crossed over a fence, you're taking items. Did you go in the house?
No, absolutely.
If one of these neighbors comes over and says they saw you going in the house, are they going to say yes or no to that?
They're going to say no. I talked to, I introduced myself and got...
Because that's how we got the call.
Oh, okay.
Is a neighbor called and said that there's someone here taking stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any weapons, knives, guns, drugs, anything on you? No. Okay. Well, we have a female officer here, so she'll search you when that and if that time comes.
Okay.
Okay. Is there anything in the van you're not supposed to have? Drugs, narcotics, pills, knives, needles? Okay. You mentioned earlier that you stopped and you bought metal?
I bought some chain link. I went over here to the Corrales store and I was trying to use the link that they broke off, but I couldn't get it. I couldn't pull the thing over.
Okay. I don't see any metal. What metal did you buy?
That's all they had at this store right here, at the Corrales, whatever.
And
store.
what were you going to do with this?
Well, I don't know. I was just trying to see. I got one of them on, but it's broke off. These other ones were broke off, so I was just going to try to close the fence.
This girl that you got the stuff from, or that you got the address and she brought you over here last night, what does she do for the company?
Same thing.
Okay.
She's just
and she said, "Come fix this." What does it? Does that sound weird to you?
I guess it does. No, it kind of does. But we're supposed to be renting this house.
You are.
Me and Debriana.
And Dave knows that.
Well, I'm hoping. I'm hoping. I don't know why she would just assume.
Would you do me a favor? Will you stand here with this officer here? Let's go clear that house real quick. Come on. Is there anybody else in the house? Was there anyone else with you?
Not that I know of.
No. Did you bring anyone in this van with you?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
The police found several suspicious items in the van, including bolt cutters Mears claimed were for fixing the damaged gate. However, upon inspecting the scene, officers found inconsistencies, including a clean leather jacket in the dusty yard, and a neighbor's report of seeing Mears enter the property.
How'd the front door get open?
I don't know. I haven't even been in.
How'd the yellow jacket get, or the leather jacket get brought out?
I haven't gone in the house. I don't even know.
There's no, there's a trash bag next to it.
Okay.
It's covered in dust. But then the black jacket has no dust on it.
I haven't gone in the house, sir.
Okay.
I don't even.
You opened the gate and just started putting stuff in here?
Yeah, just
Okay.
whatever was right here by the gate. It looks like they had it ready to go. That side of the gate was, yeah.
Are your fingerprints going to be all over these bolt cutters?
Well, yeah. Somebody had drilled the lock and put their own lock on there.
Okay. So there's that house is not livable. So how are they going to rent it to you?
Well, I guess Dave and Debriana and everybody had come over here and packed up, and they had to bomb the house. So I'm not sure. I have never been inside, so I don't know what it looks like. But to my understanding, we were supposed to be helping them clean it up and clean it out.
Okay.
So she has.
And none of your shoe prints are going to match the ones in the backyard?
No, absolutely not.
Okay. So and that's why you're not in a police car or handcuffed.
Yeah.
We want to verify everything first.
Thank you.
So
to speak.
she said the girl that was going to rehab drove her here last night and said that her and that other girl were working a deal out with you guys to rent this house. Okay.
First I've heard of
So there's a chop saw that looks like it's still new in the box, an air conditioner, some bolt cutters over here. She has priors for burglary, and the front door is open.
that. Gate was all locked up with chain and padlock.
I didn't get it.
Hold on a second. Hold on. Don't ask any questions. I'll answer them for you. She has little metal things up on the gate that she says she was repairing the gate because somebody came in and broke in previously.
Well, yeah, they took the chain link loose from the gate on one side of it.
At any point, any time,
padlock
did
is
you tell
gone.
her to come fix this gate? Because right now she's looking at a pretty serious charge of being arrested right now because it looks like the house has been burglarized, the
Yeah.
gate's been damaged, and she's loading up items, and thankfully one of the neighbors called in. So before I go ruin her life and arrest her because she already has priors, I want to make sure 100% because she had your guys' name, it's an employee, it doesn't pass a smell test.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I'm saying?
Sitting
And
back
could
using my
they
van.
have taken advantage of you guys? Absolutely. But
Yeah.
she's in your van taking stuff. So normally, will your van have those items in there? Can you see them? You see the checkerboard and all that other stuff?
My van doesn't have.
As the investigation continued, it became clear that Mears had no legal authority to be on the premises, and her attempt to steal items from the vacant home was thwarted by her conflicting explanations and the detective's persistence. Eventually arrested for burglary.
Okay, so you don't have permission to be here. Okay. He said you have permission to use the van to go from work to other places, and that's it.
Okay.
You don't have permission to come here. The homeowner, which is not them, I just spoke to on the phone, she has no idea who you are. Your friend that just went to rehab, she knows her. She doesn't have permission to be here.
Okay.
Okay, so with moving the air conditioner, the bolt cutters, cutting the locks off, is that you? Start over.
I told you the truth.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Then why are your shoe prints in the house?
My shoe prints are not in the house. I have not gone in the house, sir.
Come on.
I have not gone
So
in the house.
listen to me. Listen.
I have not.
Listen to me. This is your last opportunity to be honest. So here's what I'm going to do.
Somebody's gotta have
So
cameras around here.
do me a favor. Go ahead and turn around for me. Place your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for residential burglary.
Why, sir?
Go ahead. I'm going to put you two cuffs so they don't hurt. Then I'm going to walk you over. Okay? And at this point, I'm not going to ask you any more questions. I'm just going to show you, but I'm not going to ask you any questions because now you're officially under arrest. Okay? Because you lied to me instead of being honest.
I promise I did not lie to you, sir. I did not lie to you. There's got to be a neighbor with cameras around here.
You did lie to me.
There's got to be a neighbor with a camera, a ring.
Lift the back of your shoe up. Lift the back of your shoe up. What does that name say?
Hurley?
Okay. So we understand. We agree on that. Okay. So just agree on that. You willingly agree on that. I just want to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Hold on. Listen to me. Hold on. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney. You have the right to stop answering any questions times as you spoke to an attorney. You have the right to stop answering any questions until you have an attorney present with you. Do you understand your rights as I've read them to you? Let's take a class field trip. Come this way, please, ma'am.
Under New Mexico law, Mears violated Section 30163 of the New Mexico statutes, which defines burglary as entering a dwelling with the intent to commit a felony or theft. Given her prior convictions, Mears could face a second-degree felony charge, which carries a penalty of 9 years in prison and significant fines. Her use of bolt cutters to access the property complicates her situation further, potentially leading to additional charges for possession of burglary tools under Section 30164, which could add up to 18 months of imprisonment. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even worse. On December 12, 2023, Albuquerque police responded to a report from Target about a woman identified as Melissa Ivers, who was allegedly shoplifting.
Pressure. Ma'am, let's go inside. We need to talk to you. You're detained right now for shoplifting, okay?
Okay.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
I'll take this.
Hands out of your pocket. Keep your hand out of your pocket.
Sorry.
Do you have any weapons on you, ma'am?
No, I do not.
Okay. Let's take a seat here.
Yes.
Do you have an ID on you?
I don't. Let's see. No, I do not.
Okay.
I have it in my car.
Okay.
Wearing a blue jacket and black pants, she was seen attempting to leave the store with over $210 worth of merchandise in her cart. Upon police arrival, Ivers, the associate chief medical officer for the unmedical group, was detained for questioning.
Do you know where you're in this office right now?
Yes.
Okay. What's your social? Okay. There's somebody expecting you at home right now? Kids?
Yes.
Husband?
I have an ex-spouse.
Okay. I'm gonna tell you, like I told you when we're coming in, you're detained right now for a shoplifting investigation, okay? So we're gonna see where's the total. And I'm gonna be very transparent with you. They have more cases work against you, okay? I have seen that face. If I have $1 for every time that I see that face, I wouldn't be doing this.
Yeah.
So they'll give me all the information. and I'll explain you everything what's going on, okay? I just want to do a quick pat down because I noticed that you were reaching your pockets. Do you have a vehicle parked outside, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
It's a Nissan Armada?
Yes, it is.
So you probably know that we know what we're doing, right? And they've been looking at you for a very long time. So,
I did not know that.
okay, well, I'm telling you now. They've been looking at you, right? And they know, and they've been looking at you and the other targets as well.
Okay.
So, he's gonna give me a total for the whole merchandise, and I'm gonna ask you more questions in a second, okay? Do you use any type of narcotics, man?
No, not at all.
Okay. Do you have to take any medications?
No.
Okay. If you sit straight, you're probably gonna be able to breathe better.
I'm sorry, what?
If you sit straight, you're gonna be able to breathe better.
Sorry, say that again. If you sit straight, you probably be able to.
Officers noted that she had 3 prior shoplifting cases at Target within the last month, amounting to nearly $900. During the arrest, Ivers appeared visibly distressed, acknowledging her situation and the gravity of the charges against her.
Okay, ma'am, at this point, you're gonna be under arrest for shoplifting, okay?
Okay.
Within the last 90 days, you've been catching camera, shoplifting around $940, which is in New Mexico, is a felony, okay? So, you also is gonna be criminal trespass from the property. I'll give you your copy in a second. Okay, so do me a favor, stand up for me, please. Face away from me. Put your hands behind your back.
Falling down.
Yeah, you can fix your pants. Okay, put your hands behind your back and put your hands together like you pray. Put your hands together like you pray. I already asked you this. You said you don't have any weapons, but I'm gonna ask you again. Do you have any weapons?
No, I don't.
Do you have any needles on you?
No, I don't.
Well, you're going to jail right now.
Oh, God.
Okay, you're going to jail. You're gonna be charged with felony shoplifting right now. Okay.
She expressed regret, claiming she had never faced legal trouble before and described her actions as a misguided attempt to cope with personal issues, including a recent divorce. Despite her apologies, she was charged with felony shoplifting under New Mexico law.
We'll secure your car and make sure it's everything
And my
okay.
phone's in the car?
Okay. I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, we cannot enter your vehicle.
Okay.
The most that we can do is secure your vehicle. So whatever is inside the vehicle, we can take anything out from it.
Okay.
Okay, so if your phone is in the car, you have to stay in the car. We can make sure the vehicle's locked and tell Target.
Can't take the.
So we'll ask Target
Yeah.
if they're okay, if you can leave your vehicle here because today's Wednesday. And I'm gonna be honest, really honest with you, Melissa, okay? I haven't run your information yet,
Yes.
right? However, in my experience, for shoplifting, even if it's a felony, it's not a violent crime, okay? So you might gonna be out of jail tomorrow afternoon, at the latest
my
Friday,
God.
tomorrow or Friday in the morning. So it's not like you're gonna stay in jail for, well, we'll double check that, okay? Let's face here the vehicle, please. We need to take out everything out of your pockets because you're under arrest, okay? Do you have any more merchandise in you that you know what I mean? Like I can't even afford that right now. There's a lot of money, okay? So I get it, you feel bad now, but there's a little wake-up call for you to stop
Yes.
doing that, okay?
Yes, I agree.
Okay.
The legal ramifications for Ivers were significant. She was charged under New Mexico Statutes 3001, 620, which defines shoplifting and specifies penalties. Since the total value of the merchandise exceeded $500 but was under $2,500, the charge was classified as a 4th-degree felony, punishable by up to 18 months in prison and fines. However, given her lack of prior offenses, the district attorney opted to enroll her in a pre-prosecution diversion program, allowing her to avoid jail time contingent on her successful completion of the program. Following her arrest, Ivers reported the incident to her employer and was placed on paid administrative leave. However, by January 16, 2024, she had been removed from her position, and her resignation became effective on May 17, 2024. All right, this case was a mess, but just wait until you see this next one. On October 19th of 2021, Albuquerque police responded to a distressing report of 2 young children, a 7-year-old girl and a 9-month-old boy left unsupervised in an apartment. Upon arrival at the Four Hills studio complex, officers found the children alone and began a search for their mother, identified as 27-year-old Samantha Sanchez.
Hello, police department.
Hi.
What's going on, guys? Is everything okay over here? We got called out here to check up on you guys. It's okay. Nobody's in trouble. Yeah, nobody's in trouble at all. We're just gonna talk to your mom when she comes back home, that's all.
It's okay. So we got a call. We've gotten a couple calls prior to this that they didn't have one, but we couldn't get in or check it or anything.
How long have you guys been getting calls about this? Like how?
I've been here for a couple weeks and it's been since day one.
Where's your mama?
Where did she go, babe?
Do you have a phone number for her so we can give her a call?
The mother was identified as 27-year-old Samantha Sanchez.
Her name's Samantha. How often would you say that you take care of your baby brother? How long does that usually take, do you know?
It takes 20 minutes to maybe like,
20 minutes to what?
20 minutes to 30 minutes.
Okay. How long, when did she leave today?
It's been about 10-15 minutes.
Okay. Honey, there's nothing for you to be upset about. There's nothing for you to be upset about, okay? Your mom made a bad choice by leaving you here. She did. She shouldn't have left you here by yourself. You're too young to be here alone, especially with a 9-month-old. Nothing. We gotta talk to her though. That's not fair. It's not fair for her to be mad at you, and I'm gonna tell her that.
At Ms. Sanchez returned approximately 15 minutes later. She was confrontational, insisting her children were fine and accusing officers of overstepping. Tensions escalated as she refused to cooperate, leading to a physical altercation.
Okay. So you don't need to yell at your kids because you left them here. Do you understand that?
They're taken care of. They know better.
They know better than
Yes,
what?
they know. They always stay home.
Can you and I talk outside, please?
No, you can mind your business.
Okay.
I have the right to
This is a child abuse
I have
investigation. Okay?
no,
Do
it's
you
not an
understand that?
abuse investigation. They're not even been abused.
Yes, it
No,
is
they're
an abuse.
not.
This is a
They're
neglect
not. They're not
investigation.
abused. They're not abused. Can you like come out? Go inside.
Yeah, I would like her to stay inside, and I don't want to see. I want her to see her mom upset like this.
Can you come on? Because I want to talk. Did you call the cops on me?
She didn't.
All right,
Who
let's
called
talk
the
over
cops
here.
on me? First off, I want to know who called the cops on me.
First of all, there's a few things we need to work out before you decide which of your neighbors ratted on you.
Yes,
okay?
who snitched on me? I want to know who it was first. And then second of all...
So you don't see a problem with leaving your children
No,
in this
because they've
apartment?
been here all the time. They do this all the time. And
That's
they're
interesting to
taken
know.
care of.
So you're upsetting her and making her cry by just walking down
No,
over
you
there?
can close my door and get out of my house. That's what you
It's a
can
criminal
do.
investigation.
No, it's not. It's not. Nothing's been criminally done.
Actually, this is a
No,
crime.
it's not. Okay, well, I'm going to leave, sir, so you can, like...
So are you requesting that CYFD takes your children? Is that what you're requesting?
And if CYFD takes my fucking children, I will be suing the officers and everything.
So
do you
right
wanna-
now, this is child abuse.
Do you
Okay,
want a
what you've
lawsuit,
done
or
here
do you
is
wanna
child
leave me alone?
abuse.
Take the lawsuit.
Yeah.
Take the lawsuit. Okay, then get.
So are you wanting to go to jail? Is that what you're wanting?
I'm not even doing anything wrong to my kids. My kids are taken care of.
Okay.
Everything's
So
fine,
here's
huh?
the thing. You're making her upset right now.
Come here.
Okay. You can talk to her for a second, but we
You
need
can
to
leave my
we need to
kids
sort
alone
this out.
and leave them out of the
No,
picture.
you left your kids alone,
They're
and that's why we're here.
fine. They have everything. They are fine, officer.
Yeah.
Yes, we're fine. Why are you
Do we
picking
need
on
to
us?
detain her then, or what do you want to do?
Oh,
with
yeah, I
this?
guess if she's not going to cooperate.
What is wrong?
Okay.
Why? No,
So
I
here,
don't want to be under arrest.
We can
No.
either have a conversation about this civilly, or you can go in the back of a police car. Do you understand how that works?
As officers attempted to place her under arrest for child abandonment, Sanchez became aggressive, resulting in charges of battery on a police officer.
Okay, well, let's talk, and you need to dock your
Then you need
voice
to
down
walk
about
away so that
20.
you're not upsetting her so much.
I don't need to walk away from my doorway, sir. So
Okay.
let's stop.
Go ahead and put your hands
No,
behind your back.
I want to talk.
Put your hands behind your back. I need another cup.
You're ridiculous. Why don't you mind your business?
Stop pulling away from us. Stop fighting with
Get
us.
off of me now.
Correct?
Get off. Oh my God. Get off of me. This is child abuse by leaving him in there like that. Get off of me.
Stop it.
Get off. Let me up.
Cooperate with us.
Let me up now.
Frank, I
Get off
got
of me.
another unit. Supervisor, please.
Get off of me.
Okay, yeah,
Get
I'm okay with
off of
that.
me. Let me up.
Stop fighting with us.
Officer, let me up.
Stop fighting with us.
I said get up.
And I said stop
I
fighting
said
with
get the
us.
fuck off me.
Stop fighting with us.
Get off me. Ow, my toes.
Stop pulling
Let
away
me
from me.
get off me and let me up.
We're on the east side of the pool. You understand that?
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Stop it.
Get off me.
Stop grabbing me.
Get the fuck off me. Bro, my fucking arm is hurting. Get off. All I ask is to get off this dog shit. Get off of me.
What did she say?
There's dog shit on me. Come on, get off. Let me up. Ow. Let me up.
Stop
Well, then let me
hitting me.
up.
Deep breaths and try to relax.
Let me up off this nasty floor.
Following her arrest, Sanchez faced multiple charges, including attempted battery, abandonment of a child, and no driver's license. Illegally, her actions violated New Mexico Statute Section 3061, child abuse, and Section 3035, battery. Specifically, abandoning a child can result in a prison sentence of up to 9 years, while battery on a police officer can lead to additional penalties, including fines and possible jail time. In a previous incident, Sanchez was charged with child abuse after accidentally shooting her son during a domestic dispute, resulting in her being placed on probation with strict terms, including no unsupervised contact with her children. Despite facing severe consequences, she received a suspended sentence of 1 year in jail and 5 years of probation. All right, fellas, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and educational contents in the future. Thanks for your support.